Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike. It is Friday, the 30th of July. Goodbye, July. July has not been a great month. It's not been an easy month. It's been tough trading in the markets. We're happy to see it go. You want to know more about me? Come on over to smartoptiontrading.com. Join us live trading alerts where we use Zoom for video and speech, Discord for chat and posting information, and private Twitter as well. Also, you can catch me every Wednesday on Benzinger at 6 p.m. Options with Options Mike. So let's talk about this week and talk about what went on. This week, overall, guys, pretty much the market went nowhere. Monday up, Tuesday down, Wednesday down, Thursday all-time highs, today down a little bit. All right. But overall, we've gone absolutely nowhere this week. And really, it's been a fairly quiet week in the markets. You look at the Qs, a little weaker, right? Earnings this week, we had huge earnings in names like Apple, AMD, Google, Amazon, Tesla, to name a few, Facebook, right? And they were earnings on the big tech names weren't all that special, but we're holding in, not going anywhere. The IWM remains kind of the weak link. The financials really did nothing this week. Energy really did nothing this week. And really, when you look at this week, it was all about names, names, and more names. And if you were in the right names, you were in the right places to be. For what it's worth, uh, China names continue to be extremely tough, wicked. BABA, we've talked about in the room, you have what's called an island bottom here. You gap down, gapped up, trapping the shorts. That said, you have an island top here. You have, it's covered with them. But we gapped up, and now here we are right back into this area. So these China names remain tough at what's going on. I'm mostly avoiding them at this point. Same thing with Baidu, JD. They're all gapping all over the place. Lots of pain. Snap gave some trades this week, but it's still stuck in this range. We're waiting for this to break out. It had a great report and great guidance. Keeping an eye on that one. Twitter, still also a good report, still going sideways. Apple was a fabulous report, but they refused to guide and have been stuck here in the range. Tesla report was unclear, but obviously they decided they like it. We've been trading this the last 2 days. Nice break now of this downtrend here. Now it's got to take out 700. 700 has been a problem for it. If it does that, room to move up to 724. So we'll keep an eye on Tesla as we go into next week. AMD had a monster 3-day move off earnings. It was weak off earnings, and then they came for it. And now here we are, new all-time highs at 106, looking extremely good here as we move forward. What are some other things that were in play this week? Some things that didn't work. Snow, lots of head fakes. Lost money on this one. Tried again this week. Yesterday, big flow, didn't break out, back below the breakout range. You can see it keeps failing right around this 72 level. Very, very difficult action in that one. NVIDIA, sideways week. And when you really look at it this week, it was all about being in the right names and playing with the right names and avoiding everything else. And if you did that, you probably had a pretty good week. And if you didn't do that, you probably got a lot of paper cuts or frustrated this week trying to trade in this market. Maybe next week we see some names wake up. Let's just talk Hood briefly because everybody wants to. The IPO yesterday, Robinhood, SmackDown today put a new low in and back up. It's got to take out 38. That's the IPO open. That's the spot I'm more interested in looking at it here. So with that said, guys, I'll put charts up on Sunday. It's a beautiful weekend. Green week for me. I didn't trade a lot. Made money in TNA, lost a little in BABA. Traded Snap, SPXL, TQQQ, Microsoft. Lost a little bit on NVIDIA. Made money on TTD, Twitter, TQQQ again. Lost on Snow. And then traded Tesla yesterday, today, and AMD. And, all I'm doing right now, it's summer, and I'm dialing back my trading. Why? Because the next month or so is typically very choppy, not a lot of volume, and the big guys are on vacation. So we dial it back and we play based upon the action. With that said, I want to wish you guys all a wonderful, wonderful weekend. My link's in the description below if you're interested. And for members, I'll see you in the room bright and early on Monday morning. Charts on Sunday. Members request any chart you want.